নোটটা যেটা বানিয়েছি সেটাও পড়। এটা রিভিশনের জন্য, এটা আমার পড়ানোর জন্য, রিভিশনের জন্য, ক্লাসরুমের জন্য এটা বানানো। হ্যাঁ, এর মধ্যে বড্ড ব্রিফলি লেখা রয়েছে। তাছাড়াও আমি অনেক কিছু বলি যেগুলো আর কি আমার মনে রাখানোর জন্য করি, কিন্তু বেসিক পড়াটা হচ্ছে নোটস। ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, TI plasmid actually, this is a very interesting plasmid. You actually need to transform plants. It grows in agrobacterium. So you transform this agrobacterium with this TI plasmid containing your gene of interest. Now this agrobacterium, it infects the plants, and inside the plant you transfer that gene. Your insert, your construct with your gene of interest, you put it in an agrobacterium plasmid. That plasmid is transfected into agrobacterium. This agrobacterium, it infects plants. It's a plant bacteria. Once it infects the plants, it integrates in the plant's genome your insert. So using this bacteria to transfer plasmid inside the plant. And so the plant can overexpress, the plant can knock out certain genes, then you can see what is the effect of that. So the seeds of that plant, that plant will give seeds, those seeds will have those inserts, constructs. So TI plasmid, basically it is a circular DNA in Agarobacterium tumefaciens, because it forms tumors. Tumefaciens because it forms tumors in plants. Gallstones tumor banata hai. And it is known for transferring genes into plants causing crown gall disease. Revolutionized genetic engineering by enabling gene transfer into plants. I had made lots of these. I used to work in my PhD. I had made lots of these. I used these TI plasmids, agrobacterium mediated, transformed arabidopteran, অনেকগুলো করেছি, 4-5টা করেছি at least. So it is essential for producing genetically modified crops with desired traits. So if you look at the structure of the TI plasmid, it has got a tDNA region. It contains genes for plant hormone synthesis. It contains virulence gene. This facilitates attachment of DNA inside the plant, processing the DNA and transfer of DNA. Without this virulence genes, this agrobacterium may not be able to give the plasmid to the plant. And it has got opine catabolism genes. This provides nutrients for agrobacterium in the host plants. नहीं तो बचेगा नहीं. So these opine catabolism genes are also present. So if you look at it, it has got this cytokinin, opine. Next slide में जाओ. Then the tDNA right border, tDNA left border. This line, this much is the tDNA region, and the rest is for the agrobacterium. ठीक है? This is the structure. इसको practice कर लेना. Next slide में जाओ. So it is a multiple step process involving specific molecular interaction. Steps first क्या होता है? Attachment of tDNA to plant cells. Then VIR gene activate होता है. Then tDNA is processed and it is transferred into the plant. And then once it is inside the plant, it gets integrated into the plant genome. This right border, left border, this tDNA, this region is helping in integration into the plant. So what is step 1? A tumefaciens detects wounded plant cells. Plant phenolic compounds like acetosyringone activate bacterial response. You give some acetosyringone, it works. Then the bacteria attach to plant cell wall. Then the virulence genes get activated. Phenolic compounds, they activate Vir A and Vir G genes, these virulence genes. Vir genes produce proteins that process the tDNA. tDNA को process कर देता है. Then formation of tDNA transfer complex for the plant it offers. Okay, then tDNA processing and transfer takes place. Vir proteins from Vir genes makes Vir proteins, Vir G, Vir A. They assist in tDNA processing. Then tDNA forms a transfer complex moving through type 4 secretion system. It's a special type of secretion system in plants. Then Vir2A protects tDNA while Vir2D2 directs it to plant DNA. Because once the DNA is inside the plant endonuclease will destroy the DNA. But Vir2E2 will protect it. And Vir-D2 will direct it inside the genome. Next step is integration into the plant genome. The tDNA reaches the plant cell nucleus directed by the nuclear localization signal. There is a DNA sequence which localizes to tell it to go to the nucleus. Then Vir-A2 protein coats tDNA, ensuring protection and integration. Next step is tDNA randomly integrates with plant DNA allowing gene expression. कहीं पे भी integrate हो सकता है. Say important gene के अंदर integrate हो गया, that gene is knocked out. शायद promoter के सामने आ गया, suddenly promoter overexpression चालू कर दिया. All these things you can actually knock out plants. You can tDNA में you put a particular gene and insert it in the plant. So plant का अपना भी वो जीन है और बाहर से एक्स्ट्रा जीन है, so it starts to overexpress. Then you see what are the other things happening to the plant. So application basically it is needed for development of genetically modified crops and it is used in pharmaceutical production. For example, Nicotiana benthamiana, it is used for making antibodies against diseases. Plant के अंदर antibody तैयार कर रहा है. कोई एनिमल को मारना नहीं पड़ रहा है. You are making it inside plant itself. Then limitation is limited host range. Primarily infects dicots, limiting application. Rice में it is very difficult. होता है लेकिन उतना easy नहीं होता है. Random tDNA integration disrupts native genes. से तुम कुछ इंटीग्रेशन किया, नेटिव कोई दूसरा जीन को भी डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया. सो वो प्लांट काम में नहीं ला सकते. सिर्फ एक तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, 2-3 हो सकता है अंदर में. यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट फॉर वन इंटीग्रेशन ओनली. देन एनवायरमेंटल एंड एथिकल कंसर्न्स है. पोटेंशियल जीन ट्रांसफर टू नॉन टारगेट ऑर्गेनिज्म. जिसको नहीं चाह रहे पास में घास को भी ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया. इट गिव्स इट ए सिलेक्टिव एडवांटेज. नेचुरल घास चला गया. So future direction is modify TI plasmid for compatibility with monocots. Then precise gene editing. Use CRISPR-Cas9 with TI plasmid for targeted insertion. CRISPR-Cas9 से you can target a particular जगह. So you can use this TI plasmid for it. Then it's used in synthetic biology constructions के लिए. ठीक है? This is basically आज का क्लास. और एक चीज़ बाकी है, उसके बाद मेरा पार्ट कंप्लीट हो जाए.